Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Halloween Forever pack in Garden game of Roblox, Halloween update part 2, and how to get it for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, they have added new pack on the shop. So you can go to the shop here and you can scroll down, and here you will see the Forever pack and you will be able to claim free shackles. I have already claimed the shackles guys, so it doesn't appear right here, and then you can scroll down and here you will see the Halloween Forever pack. As you can see, now we will get items for free. For example, this, which is broom, and it will be different for everyone. Maybe you will get this Halloween radar or any item. For me, I will get this, which is broom, and then if you want to get it, just tap on that. Okay, I'm going to click this free item. Okay, as you can see guys, I have just received the witch's broom. Okay, and you can claim it for free. Just go to the shop. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the Halloween Forever pack for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.